10 proven ways to stay motivated during tough times. Hey there, are you feeling a little down and struggling to stay motivated during these tough times? Don't worry, you're not alone. We all have moments where it feels like the world is against us and it's hard to find the motivation to keep going. But don't give up just yet. In this video, we're going to talk about some practical tips and tricks for staying motivated, even when things are tough. 1. Set small achievable goals for yourself. It's easy to get overwhelmed when things are tough and we have a lot on our plate. That's why it's important to break things down into smaller, more manageable goals. For example, instead of trying to tackle everything on your to-do list at once, pick 1 or 2 tasks to focus on for the day. This will help you feel a sense of accomplishment as you check things off your list and keep you motivated to keep going. 2. Take breaks and prioritize self-care. It's important to remember that you can't pour from an empty cup. Make sure to take breaks and prioritize self-care activities like exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. These activities can help replenish your energy and give you the motivation you need to keep going. 3. Surround yourself with positive people. We all have those days where it feels like nothing is going right. On these days, it can be helpful to surround yourself with positive, supportive people who can lift your spirits and remind you of your strengths. This can be a friend, family member, or even a supportive community online. 4. Find something to look forward to. It can be tough to stay motivated when things feel uncertain or overwhelming. That's why it's important to have something to look forward to. Whether it's a fun activity, a future vacation, or even a small indulgence like a delicious meal or your favorite TV show. Having something to look forward to can give you something to work towards and keep you motivated to keep going. 5. Remember that it's okay to not be okay. It's important to remember that it's okay to not be okay all the time. We all have moments where we feel down or overwhelmed. That's completely normal. It's important to give yourself permission to feel your emotions and take care of yourself. Remember that it's okay to ask for help and it's okay to take a step back when you need to. 6. Find a source of inspiration. Sometimes, we just need a little bit of extra motivation to get through the day. If you're struggling to find the motivation to keep going, try finding a source of inspiration. This could be a quote, a song, or even a person who inspires you. Keep this source of inspiration close by and refer to it when you need a little boost. 7. Keep a gratitude journal. It's easy to get caught up in all the negative things happening around us. But taking a few minutes each day to focus on the things we're grateful for can help shift our perspective and keep us motivated. Try starting a gratitude journal where you write down 1 or 2 things you're thankful for each day. This can help remind you of all the good things in your life and give you the motivation to keep going. 8. Take things one day at a time. Sometimes, it can feel like the road ahead is never ending and it's easy to get overwhelmed. That's why it's important to focus on taking things one day at a time. Instead of stressing about everything that needs to be done, try to focus on the tasks at hand and take things step by step. This can help reduce the feelings of being overwhelmed and keep you motivated to keep going. 9. Find an outlet for stress and emotions. When things are tough, it's important to find healthy outlets for our stress and emotions. This could be through exercise, creative pursuits like painting or writing, or even talking to a friend or therapist. Finding an outlet for our emotions can help us process them and keep us motivated to keep going. 10. Celebrate your wins, big and small. It's important to celebrate our accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Whether it's finishing a project at work, or just making it through a tough day. It's important to take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate our wins. This can help boost our confidence and keep us motivated to keep going. I hope these tips have been helpful for staying motivated during hard times. Remember, you are strong and capable of overcoming any challenges that come your way. You've got this. Keep going, and don't forget to take care of yourself along the way. If you like this video, please remember to smash the like button. Subscribe, and comment below. Please let me know if you have other ways you can stay motivated during tough times. Thanks for watching. And bye for now.